Want to see an unbelievably simple and effective deodorant? Well, follow me. So I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to show you an easy, simple, effective way to make deodorant, your very own deodorant. Because you know, in most deodorants there's artificial scent. Fragrances can contain up to 100 different chemicals in that one catchphrase. And many deodorants, including the stick deodorants, contain propylene glycol, which is found in antifreeze of all places. And it's something that we don't want to be putting on under our armpits. So I just go to my bulk section. I find regular old baking soda. If you can find aluminum-free baking soda, even better. And then I get a salt shaker like this, and I just fill it up with the baking soda and screw on the top and sprinkle it in my palm, under my armpit. Good to go, whole day. It's easy, simple, very affordable, something you should try. Okay, now I'm going to show you a yummy body scrub, because the stuff that you buy in the stores most likely has artificial scent, which, as I mentioned earlier, contains lots of chemicals, artificial fragrance, and other chemicals and preservatives and additives that you just don't want on your skin. Our skin is our largest organ, so we want to make sure that what we're putting on it really is healthy and almost stuff you can eat. And so I have these things here that you can actually eat. So what you need for a body scrub or a facial scrub is a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of sugar, and I use palm sugar, I like that. It's natural and it has a nice texture for the skin. And then a tablespoon of ground coffee that I've already made the coffee with a French press, and so this is the remainder of it. So it's already been soaked and saturated and all that. And then you just need a little essential oil, something that you like. I happen to like orange essential oil, but you can use mint or lemon or whatever. And so what you do is, the grounds are still warm, so I take my coconut oil and put it in, mix it in with the coffee, and it melts right away. And then I add the sugar. And you see, you just stir it up like that, and it looks kind of like a dark concoction of yumminess that you're going to put on your skin. You won't believe how great your skin feels. And then I would just put in maybe 1 or 2 drops, oops, that was 3, of the essential oils, and stir it up. And then you can just take it, I'll show you here, and I'm going to put some on my hand and rub it in. Oh, it feels great, and it smells fantastic. And what's happening is it's exfoliating, and the antioxidants in the coffee are doing their magic on your skin as well. So it's really yummy. And if you want to use it for your face, you can use very finely ground coffee, like made into espresso ground. This I use a little bit coarser to use on my body. But enjoy, have fun with it.